Welcome to Aventura, a slice of South Florida known for its waterfront views and its welcoming vibe. Here we have a community-focused lifestyle, complete with convenient shopping like the popular Aventura Mall, where you can find everything from daily essentials to luxury items. If you're a foodie, you will love the restaurant scene. And for the outdoor enthusiast, there is an array of scenic parks and walking trails. And if it's culture you're after, the Aventura Cultural Center's diverse array of theatrical performances and events will surely satisfy your appetite. We're thrilled to present to you a property that reflects the Aventura lifestyle. Introducing this exclusive 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom corner unit, perfectly positioned to offer breathtaking waterfront views, nestled in the heart of Aventura. As you step inside, you're greeted by an open-plan living space bathed in natural light. The living area seamlessly blends comfort with elegance, providing the perfect backdrop for relaxation or entertaining guests. The kitchen is updated with newer appliances, ensuring a fresh and efficient cooking experience. The primary suite is quiet and restful, with a private bathroom and plenty of closet space. The second bedroom is also comfortable and welcoming, suitable for family or guests. The bathrooms are modern and well appointed. Step out onto your private balcony and soak in the mesmerizing waterfront views. Whether it's enjoying your morning coffee or watching the sunset, this space provides a pleasant and unique atmosphere. This building is all about enhancing your lifestyle right at home. Enjoy the convenience of a modern fitness center for your workouts, 2 inviting pools for a swim or lounge, and landscape grounds that offer a touch of nature. Tennis lovers have their courts, boaters have access to the marina, and peace of mind comes with manned security. It's comfortable living made better with these thoughtful amenities. This corner unit is a charming home that offers lovely waterfront views, a true slice of the Aventura lifestyle. It's a perfect spot for those looking for a blend of comfort, a touch of modern living, and a lively neighborhood. Ready to experience the Aventura lifestyle? Contact us today for a private tour, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.